Hey guys, we're like at this forest right now, and we're gonna find some snakes, or we're gonna just throw rocks. I'm going down a hill. Can you see? I'm just walking right now. Look at this water. So cute. Guys, I have to be careful because these rocks are so skinny. Look at these rocks. Whoa. Look at this rock. Imagine I throw it. Just kidding. Look at that one.
How many snakes you think there is around here?
I think there's probably like 100.
Probably at least.
Or like 2,000. I'm not sure. Guys, look at that green. Is that pollen? I think that's pollen. Never mind, it's allergies. It's gone. It's windy. Guys, I'm gonna jump over. Do you think that's too big?
Come on, time for Sylvie to fall in the water.
Oh my god. I'm gonna swim.
Hold on, Sylvie. Hold on. Here. Give me thy hand.
Oh. Guys, I did it. Imagine I've been up here. It's cold, it's freezing. I'm gonna go right there. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm gonna jump over that. Ooh, never went. Never mind. I'm not going. We're going back to the car. Are we? Ew, Dad, your shoes on the dirty spot.
It's slippery though, son.
Hold my phone. What? Dad, give me my phone. It's literally doing a video. It's literally doing a video. Okay, we're going back to the car. My mom's gonna see the video. I had to pause it because I'm going to a shortcut here. Let's jump. Ah! Guys, boom. Go in the car. Bum, 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 bum. Bye, guys. Was that a fun adventure? Tell me in the comments. Bye.